So we're standing outside, surrounded by a lot of Cherokee Gray Wolf Limited. We got some Wolf Pups over there, but we want to just tell you about some of the 2023 upgrades, some of the 2023 changes that we're really excited about. First one on the outside, these windows.
Yeah, so
Like
these
the mirrored windows.
right. It's nice because now it reflects a lot of that heat and stuff back out, so it doesn't come in. So.
And
it's still tinted, like
right,
it
it's
was,
still tinted, so it doesn't look a whole lot.
It's actually harder to see in, I think.
Yeah, it doesn't look a whole lot different as far as like on the inside because you can still see out. But like I can see myself here, so I know it's a little different than just a black window. It's actually kind of mirrored, and it does. It reflects.
But you'll
the
see
sunlight.
this on all the aluminum sided Gray Wolf and the Wolf Pups.
And
So
if you
it's
take
nice.
a look down through there, you see they're all kind of reflective.
That looks sharp, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And two, look how they used to have gray, blue, and gray. Now it's white. So
Yeah, so they've
looks
taken
really
the gray
sharp.
out from here. This used to be like your gray area. They got it white now, it just pops a little more. The only
they did a
problem
lot
you
of
have
new-
now is as girls are driving by, they're going to check themselves out in the mirror as they drive by. So you have to
Or
keep
you.
an eye on that. Or me, yeah. Should we get inside? Of course,
Yeah.
they keep the fantastic Gray Wolf doors, these
These
blacked
are-
out doors. So inside,
First thing I noticed is this nice maple
Mimosa maple.
Mimosa maple cabinetry.
is that what it,
Yeah.
yeah, I think it's like
Yep, it looks sharp.
It does. That's one of the upgrades, is the new color. What else did he talk about?
Well,
I
we
know you
just
had a
walked
chance to
by
talk
the
to him.
power control system right here.
Oh, yeah.
This is kind of nice, where
So
now
as soon as you walk
there's
by,
a
it
little
pops
motion
on.
sensor that when it senses your body getting out of bed at night, it pops these little lights
Right.
on, so it doesn't waste electricity, but it's easy to see.
And this where is it?
Bluetooth it too, can you?
Yeah, where'd that Bluetooth go that we were just in? Were we in a
Oh,
different
for
one?
the sound?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't a different one.
But yeah, you can do that. for
Yeah, they
the-
don't have the radio on the inside now. It just Bluetooths to your phone and plays through that. So he said they had a lot of trouble with the radios, just normal radio issues. But the Bluetooth from your phone is pretty smart.
And then they went with nice countertops, a bigger farmhouse style stainless sink, along with a nice black.
I really like this model too. I know we're doing a
Faucet.
make video, just showing some new updates to the Wolf Pups and Gray Wolves, but I really do like this model. I like this little dinette area to the back here.
Yeah, so they came up with a few new floor plans in this whole line. So
And if you go to rvwholesalers.com, you can choose a Gray Wolf, a Cherokee, and just kind of look for your own floor plan and see what you can do. But Gray Wolf Cherokee, one of the top selling RVs in the country, right?
and a real great value too. I mean,
Yeah.
it's definitely at a great price point. So.
All right, so changes are being made. Nothing crazy and abnormal, but yeah, some changes being made. So go check it out.